This is the 3D Viewmaster adventure Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, Part 3. Scenes from Hogwarts Castle. Bring the silver screen magic of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone to life with 21 straight from the set movie scenes in incredible 3D. Each Harry Potter collector reel set includes 3 reels for use with any Viewmaster 3D viewer. Keep 'em to view or trade a few. Viewmaster Reel 1. Hogwarts Faculty. Picture 1. Albus Dumbledore, Headmaster of Hogwarts. Picture 2. Rubeus Hagrid, Keeper of the Keys and Grounds. Picture 3. Severus Snape, Professor of Potions and Head of Slytherin. Picture 4. Professor McGonagall, Transfiguration Teacher and Head of Gryffindor. Picture 5. Professor Quirrell, Defense against the Dark Arts Teacher. Picture 6. Madame Hooch, Flying Instructor and Quidditch Referee. Picture 7. Professor Flitwick, Charms Teacher. Viewmaster Reel 2. Studying at Hogwarts. Picture 1. The Great Castle Hogwarts. Picture 2. The Cherlick Scented Classroom of Defense against the Dark Arts. Picture 3. Curious objects from Professor Quirrell's classroom. Picture 4. Hermione knows the answer. Picture 5. Malfoy and Goyle take notes in potions class. Picture 6. The first flying lesson. Harry snatches the Remembrall. Picture 7. Study time in the Great Hall. Viewmaster Reel 3. Experiencing Hogwarts. Picture 1. The first years enter the Great Hall. Picture 2. Harry seeing his family for the first time. Picture 3. Sneaking through the corridors under the watchful eyes of Mrs. Norris. Picture 4. Harry explains Snape's injury was from the 3-headed dog. Picture 5. Filch patrols the library. Picture 6. Confronting the cloaked figure in the forbidden forest. Picture 7. Hermione distracts Snape at the Quidditch match. We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.